Welcome to Be Bright Energy's Qigong crane exercises. The crane is one of the most revered of the animals in Chinese culture and is known for its grace and balance. Therefore, these exercises also focus on mental stability and emotional balance. We're going to focus on 3 variations of the crane movement, each one being more challenging than the other, so we can develop into this system. We start with our feet shoulder width apart, hands resting below the navel. Breathing in, our wrists and knee comes up, and breathing out, we gently place the foot down as the hands are released. Breathing in, backs of the hands touch. Breathing out, arms fall down. Now the other leg, breathing in, the knee comes up with the wrists. Breathing out, we gently settle. Breathing in one more time, backs of the hands touch. Breathing out, hands come down, and we continue. To keep balance, we keep the supporting knee slightly soft and we focus the eyes at a point in front of us. As always, it's the breath that does all the work. We imagine strings on the knee and the wrist as we breathe in to come up, and they get released as we come down. The shoulders should remain soft along with the rest of the body, so the body's being purely guided and lifted with the breath. Releasing the breath, the hands drop down. Breathing in, the knee rises with the wrists. Breathing out, everything drops down. Breathing in, touching the backs of the hands. Breathing out to begin again. Now I'm going to remain quiet so you can really listen to your own breath so it can carry the exercise. Continue on. When you're ready to finish the exercise, breathe in, throw the arms up, and release the breath so the hands drop down, finding the lower dantian just below the navel. Close your eyes and imagine a gold ball of light just below the belly button. For a moment, just breathe into this space. Now we move on to a slightly more advanced version of the crane. We start in the usual position, hands resting on the lower dantian, knees soft, shoulders drop, back nice and straight. Releasing the hands, we bring the feet closer together and turn them 45 degrees. To begin, we release the breath. Bending down, we breathe in, trace the hands along the legs, open up the form, bring the knee up, and then release the breath. We go again, breathing in, coming up, wings spread up, knee comes up, and we release the breath again. Breathing in, tracing the inside of the legs, creating a strong form, opening the wings and raising the knee. In order to remain balanced, we keep the supporting knee slightly soft as we come up. Releasing the breath, we release the form, we bend down, cross the arms, expand the arms out like wings, and the knee comes back up. Releasing the breath, breathing in, coming up, holding for one moment, releasing the breath and releasing the form. Now continue on, allowing your breath to lead the exercise. When you're ready to finish, breathe in, throw the energy up, release the breath and release the hands to find the lower dantian just below the navel. Soften the knees, relax the shoulders, and just sit in this position as you imagine a gold ball of light below your belly button. And finally, we move to the last of the crane variations. This one, the more advanced. We release the breath. Breathing in, wrists and knees rise. Point the foot, extend the foot round. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in again, raising the other knee and wrists, point the toes, come around, bend down, breathe in, come up, breathe out and gently land and continue. Again, allow the breath to lift the form. The body is relaxed, the knee is soft so you can balance, coming up and releasing down. Emotionally, the crane helps to calm the heart and settle the mind. These movements are connected to the release of anxiety, restlessness, and feeling emotionally overwhelmed. The slow, floating motion signals safety to the nervous system, helping you to return to a natural balance. The crane also supports physical health, especially the lungs, posture, and coordination. It encourages deep breathing, improves circulation, and builds a sense of lightness in the body. As you continue the exercise, when you breathe in and you come up, release everything as you drop down, letting everything go. Breathing in fresh new life, turning, breathing in, and then as you come down, release everything as you land. To finish, we breathe in and throw the arms up, release the breath and release the hands to find the lower dantian. To finish these exercises, just relax the knees and sit into the position. Allow the shoulders to drop, the forehead to be relaxed and open, and focus all of your attention breathing into the lower dantian just below the belly button, envisioning a gold ball of light and using this as a meditation of really letting go of all of the past so we can begin again. As we finish, our eyes are closed and we're breathing nice, relaxed breaths into the lower dantian, nice and deep and surrendered. Thanks for joining me, and do please practice these exercises as much as possible, and you should find a good emotional and mental balance. As usual, we'll finish by saying Namaste.